Hi, Piktochart is an interface that I think you'll find quite easy to use. I'm going to show you a few tips. What I have for you today is an Elizabethan Gazette newspaper type format presentation that I put together for a class. There are many different templates. This is the one I've chosen for today's example. On the left side, you'll see there's options for adding shapes, lines, icons, which are what the bullets are over here, photos, and as with the icons, there are different themes that you can use from the drop-down menu, or photo frames. These are different types of pictures where you can write text in blocks they've provided already. So you can put a picture up here and edit the number, edit the text below. Anything that you add to your project, when you click on it and it has a solid line and the handles around the edge, can be deleted by hitting the delete key or resized by grabbing the handles. There, I've just deleted it. You can use uploads, put uploads into your projects. If you have a photo or a picture on your computer, or you've downloaded a picture to your computer, you just select the button as designated here. And here are some of my pictures that I've uploaded. By hovering over them, you'll see they get larger. You can add backgrounds to your work as well. Because I have this section chosen and not the lower block, I will add a background. There you go, to the upper block. And you see it doesn't apply it to the lower block. Control Z will undo for you, although there are undo buttons and redo buttons up above. There is an opacity tool here, so if you want to make that black a little less dark, lighten it up a little bit, you just adjust the opacity there. Also, you can change colors here, so if you have something with some stripes in it, I'm going to hit undo. Something with some texture or stripes in it, like this. Click the selection again, add that to it, change the opacity, which helps it be a little less busy. You can also change some of the color within there. And this one won't change as much because it's a specific pattern, but you get the point. You can edit that by undo, 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 and there it's gone. Adding text is easy. It has larger text styles, so you don't have to fiddle with changing the size of your text as much. It'll put it in larger all the way down to body text. And body text, unlike the title text and the subtitle, will wrap. Just like when you're typing on the computer, you hit the edge of you hit the margin edge and it'll wrap around. So here's an example of that where the line typed all the way to the end of this box and then overflowed into the next line. Your titles, such as this Elizabethan Gazette, won't do that. Just keep going ahead. If you click in there, you're not going to be able to, you can edit a little bit, but to change the actual text itself, you want to double click and then you can add text, change the text there. You can also see that you can change the size up above, change the opacity of the letters, the color of the letters, and that applies to the whole cell whether you have it selected or not. And this is a button that doesn't really make a lot of sense unless you click on it and give it a try. Let's try it on this box. The word Elizabethan Gazette doesn't have a color or anything in front of it or behind it, but the thesis statement portion does. If we hover over the Arrange button and click on Send to Back, click on this, Send to Back, it puts it behind the yellow. If we click on Bring to the Front, it brings it back to where you want it to be. So those are some of the basic tools of the Piktochart, and I hope you enjoyed this little video.